Wow. He looks fun. I resized it down from the original size, and it was supposed to use 1.8 meters of filament. So it looks like I could have made it a little bit bigger. I didn't measure how much I'd done. I just estimated it roughly at about 2 meters, but there must be about another meter on there. So I could have gone for 3 meters. Are you still stuck? Yeah, you're still stuck because it's still hot. Needs to cool down a bit. 47 minutes, 58 seconds. What a little beauty. I'll put a link in the video description to where I got the file from on Tinkercad. No, on Thingiverse, just in case you're interested. I suppose it's a Christmas gnome. And I'll use the security camera footage for a time lapse, actually printing him. Just in case you couldn't work out how small he is. They are in my hand. So about 1 inch wide and just over a couple of inches tall. But that was 35% of the original size. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.